Hi everyone, I'm going to explain you how to fix the problem with the camera when you get this annoying error. Well, you can fix it by maybe go to the recovery menu and restart your PS Vita, but it's probably going to be the camera itself. Mostly it's in my case it's the back camera that's broken, but it could also be the front camera. I guess in my case it would be in my case it's the back camera. So you can go to the recovery menu and maybe after reinstalling the PS Vita you can get the camera back to work, but most likely it's just broken. The recovery menu is R, power and the PS Vita logo button at the same time, and you can start the database reconstruction and things like that. Maybe it could work, but it's most likely the camera itself that have to be replaced. So I'm switching the PS Vita off, and yeah, let's open it. You have to unscrew 4 screws at the back, 2 screws at this port, and 2 screws at the bottom. And you also have to remove your memory card and maybe also the game. So yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, when it's all done, this is the hard part, to get the back plate of the PS Vita itself. Mostly you can start on the side. You have that, then you could go. But it's the tricky part, It's kind of clicky. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Oh yeah, don't bend it like that, want probably gonna break something. Have to. Okay, now it's open. Finally, I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, it happens that these come off, but don't worry about that. Once it's open, you're gonna carefully bend it open, and we're not going to scratch any screen, so I'm gonna place it carefully. Gonna remove that connector so it doesn't bother me, and maybe the power source, like that. The power source, you have to unplug it upwards, not slide it. It's upwards. Put this aside, and here we go. Now we can see the camera. In my case, the back camera is broken. If your front camera is broken, yeah, you have to unscrew your PS Vita system. That's another story, but most likely the back camera is broken. So I'm gonna replace that. Put this up. It's kind of sticky, so that, and like take it out. So that's my broken camera. I bought a new camera on the internet for like $5. It wasn't that much, so place that. Don't touch the lens or the contact. It's recommended, and slide it back in. It's gonna be a little bit harder. things up. Like that. Want to slide it all the way in. Can use tools for that. Want to slide it all the way in so that the line on the board itself comes behind. Matches the line of the camera. Yeah, that's come behind of these. How does it? Borders, something like that. So put it in all the way until you can't put it in more. And then close it. The camera itself, gonna see that's in good place. Watch out that this doesn't come behind the camera. This has to be inside that pin. And click it in. Maybe press it if there is still glue on it. Yeah, that's how you place it. Now I'm gonna put it back in. First gonna connect the back touch plate. And then the power source. Oh. You have to make sure it's good. That's well connected. And plug in the power source. It's kind of a struggle because, yeah, like that. Make sure it's well connected. Don't want to put it all the way back. I'm gonna place these R and L buttons back to place. Maybe, yeah, check everything that everything is connected well. Check if you didn't forgot anything, and then you're good to go to put it back together. When it's all done, when it's all clicked, check the buttons, check if everything feels right. Put your memory card back. To the back. Boot it up to test it. You don't want to unscrew everything back together. Until you checked if everything is alright. Yeah, we put the battery out, so it lost its time. Gonna test it. You see, it all works. Everything works. Change the camera. Yes, front camera, back camera. It doesn't come any error on it. Everything works. So I'm gonna screw all these screws back to place, and then I'm done. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you guys with the camera error on your PS Vita, and hopefully you can play all your games back with your camera. See you guys later.